Homeowners to action.
If you currently pay rent for the home you live in, or if you need to upsize or downsize to a larger or smaller home, then listen very carefully to what I'm about to say. The big real estate news is that the U.S. House of Representatives just voted 403 to 12 to extend the home buyer tax credit. And they actually expanded the parameters to include existing homeowners and not just first-time buyers. As it stands now, awaiting President Obama's signature, the federal tax credit will be extended, but only through April 30th, 2010. There will be a 60-day extension to allow you to close any binding contract you've entered prior to that deadline. First-time homebuyers are still eligible for a tax credit of up to $8,000. But now, existing homeowners will also be eligible for a credit of up to $6,500. To qualify for the $6,500 tax credit, existing homeowners must have lived in their current residence for at least 5 continuous years out of the last 8. In both instances, the maximum purchase price is capped, but at a very generous $800,000. The bill also increases the qualifying income limits to a more liberal amount. It now allows up to $125,000 in income for single taxpayers and up to $225,000 for couples filing jointly. Now think about that for a moment. Conceivably, a couple filing jointly can have a combined income of a little over $18,000 per month and still qualify for a nice tax credit. Wow! I've posted more details on a downloadable chart that shows a comparison of the current and new tax credit rules on this side of the web page. So how will this affect our local real estate market? If you have been following my reports in the past few months, you already know that in Contra Costa, the inventory of single-family homes available for sale is half of what it was a year ago. And this trend continues, as shown on our red chart for October. Also, with the uncertainty as to whether the extension to the tax credit would actually pass, buyer demand increased in October, as indicated in our blue chart showing the new pending sales for the month of October. Now, with this extension to the April 30th, and its inclusion of existing homeowners, even more home buyers will be able to qualify for a tax credit. We should expect to see continued pressure from increased buyer demand for that dwindling inventory of available homes. But bear in mind that this new bill is a limited time offer. When interviewed, Senator Johnny Isakson said this is probably the last extension. Generous tax credits, fixed mortgages at historically low rates, special low-down government financing, and incredibly low home prices. If you're thinking about buying a home, then you need to get on this like white on rice. But with the limited inventory of available homes, buyers should expect a competitive marketplace, especially in the lower-priced bank-owned homes. And that's where I can help. To help homebuyers take maximum advantage of this federal tax rebate, I've used my market knowledge to develop a strategic program that will provide you a guided and organized plan to find and compete for the best deals and the nicest homes. This program will be customized to your needs and I'll actually send you all the new listings of homes for sale in your chosen category the moment they hit the market. I can give you access to inside information normally available only to real estate agents. And you'll receive this information even before many real estate agents have seen it. When you find a suitable home, I'll provide you with valuable data on similar homes that sold recently, and use my 30 years experience to help you design and negotiate an appropriately competitive offer. This is truly a market where experience counts. I would be honored to use my 30 years experience to help you, a friend or a family member, to take advantage of this unique convergence of factors that make this a rare and real opportunity to buy a home of your own at a reasonable cost. Setting up this home buyer program is easy. Just call me or click on the Home Buyer Plan button on this side and fill out the form to describe your housing needs. And I'll customize a home buyer plan for you with absolutely no cost or obligation. I'll even send you my frequently updated list of local bank-owned foreclosures and low-priced homes. A link to my email and my phone number are also located on this page. And if you would like to receive a reminder notice for my next news report on Contra Costa real estate, just send me an email using that link. Hey, that's it for now. I hope this was informative, and once again, thanks for watching.